Camera.
Do you know how to do the flash off?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you're on camera right now.
Oh,
We're rolling. Camera's rolling.
put the camera on him.
Well, the camera is on him.
Oh, okay. He's looking around.
Yeah, he's like, who's this idiot holding this green thing?
You did a good job. You're doing a good job. Your eyes are so big and beautiful.
I wonder what he's thinking right now. I've been in captivity for 14 days.
That's you. That's you, baby. Oh, you're better. You're better. You hear the baby crying?
Yeah, he's definitely got better control of his eyes today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They can't see.
A
They
lot
can't
going
see
on.
colors yet. They said, but
Yeah.
yesterday
They can see shapes.
I had a bright green shirt on, and I swore you could see.